The male cat rapes the blanket. Man, I'm putting this on Facebook.
On Flash.
It's a video. He looked at your ass. Look at his eyes.
Oh, he gonna change the direction. You're falling.
The fuck is he doing? He's wrapping himself.
This how he lay down. Watch you.
Look at his eyes. He look like devil.
Oh, he don't want you to see him. That shit on his face.
It's like he got green eyes.
Makes you cold?
He's sharpening his claws.
I know.
Let's see how long I keep this up. Yo, that look decent. Look at the camera. Keep looking, Max. Wait, look at his eyes.
Alright, get out his eyes.
It's not hurting him. It's just the camera. It's how I look in the camera. Yo, move your finger.
Look.
He look. It only look like he. You know when the cartoons lose their mind and stuff. Yeah, the eyes be looking weird. Having fun, Max?
What's up?
Okay.
Why you say it real like that?
You didn't finish the steps? Shit.
Yo, nobody wanna look at you. You showing off.
Oh. Oh.
Mom, hurry up. Come here.
What?
You wanna see it? Come here. Come here, hurry up.
She said you would.
I gotta take
Hurry
the
up.
cloths off the table.
He been doing this for like 2 minutes. He got on video camera.
Oh. Oh.
Don't make no noise. Don't make no noise. Stop. He been doing this for like 3 minutes. You know what he's doing? You know what he's doing?
He's sharpening his claws.
He's raping you.
No.
It's gonna be a wet spot when you get up.
He's pulling it. So
Shh.
so it'd be nice and tight. So he,
It's going on Facebook.
he's neutered. He don't know. He ain't sex is the last thing on his mind.
He keep moving the blanket around.
He's sharpening his claws. See, that's like medicine on the claws. And they do that to get the medicine off.
Welcome to the Discovery Channel, everybody.
He warned
Did you cut the light on? Get some more light.
No, we did have the light on. We just turned it off.
You can see his eyes in the flash.
See, look, when I
Look at his eyes. Come here. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes.
Look, he turned around.
Look at his eyes.
I know. I seen him when I first got up here.
His eyes on the camera would flash.
I know. I saw it.
He is green.
They were like, what, red or?
Green.
She foreign.
Oh. It's been 4 minutes.
It do look creepy though.
He just came up here. He came up here. And he stopped a little bit.
But he's not even clawing the piece that he's holding in his mouth.
How you gonna claw the piece in his mouth? He got gloves in his mouth?
Why is he holding the blanket though?
Because it's supposed to keep it like he's trying to.
But he's not.
He's trying to hold
that
it down.
Part of the blanket.
He thinks it's his nature. So he thinks he's holding it down.
Oh.
Yeah, your mirror gonna fall when I get up.
You done?
His nails are razor sharp.
He gave you the finger.
So is Angel's.
Angel fucking great. Sorry.
And his was too sharp. Yeah, she just went over my foot and scratched my whole foot.
And it's so fast you don't even feel it. See, she pats me. She don't stick her claws out on me.
There's nobody out there, I bet.
It's like broke.
It's not broke. It's set wrong.
And when I used to sleep with you, Angel used to scratch me.
Oh, is he done? Is he done? Nope.
But he scratched me real bad that time. Remember my arm right here?
He gonna smack the shit out of you.
Huh?
Don't mess with him. Let him do what he got to do. I don't know what the hell he doing. His maternal instinct, or I don't know.
It's been 5 minutes.
He never did it this long though.
I know before he used to do it like
yeah, he
2
do
minutes.
It quick and then he lay down.
What was he doing in back legs?
He's scratching it. He gotta do all his claws.
That's weird. We got some weird ass cats.
Got some weird ass parents.
Can I get a kiss?
That's and he used to do it on that blanket too.
Take it too long.
Come
on, y'all. Take it too long. I know you done. He's trying to say I'm gonna whoop your ass while I give him my nails. That's what he's saying. Look at him. Look at him.
He plotting to kill us.
One time I put my finger under that. That shit hurt. Put your finger where he clawing it.
Fuck no.
Take that shit in. Get out. That shit hurt. He did it with his back.
He's black. He's all black. Don't corner your eye at me, boy.
You done?
Get the fuck out of my face. Get the fuck out of my face. I'm putting this on YouTube. I ain't putting this on Facebook. Denied.
You did.
Denied.
Yo.
He got white eyes. White.
You taking too long.
This is gonna be the longest cat video. People take a squat.
What is this big? Shit.
No, actually, that would be some piss. Yeah. Who can't even see it?
You working.
Nah, Matthew's calling. Go with my Vita. Matthew calling. Go with my Vita.
You can wait.
He think he coming over here.
Just put it in. Just stop recording. Cause that stuff hurt my eyes anyway. Max, pull it up, pull it up.
Want some background music?
You done?
Nope. Guess that was a no.
I took it out his mouth.
He gonna fuck you up.
Get out of his face.
Cheese. Why do you do that? Don't do that, Mia. That's it. He's supposed to do this. If you don't do it, he could, I don't know. Kill somebody. But they'll fuck you up. Said, bitch, touch me again. No,
I can't touch you?
Fuck no. He said don't knock shit out of my mouth. Cut your hand off. That feel good, Maxie. You done? You done? Let's take him out. There's one to call.
You done? Max.
I think he taking a shit.
You done?
Take a shit.
Hmm?
Take a shit.
You done? I think you done. Excuse me, what are you doing?
What?
Get up. Yeah. Oh, alright, nigga.
And back to this again.
Hey.
Dick it. Dick it.
You say shit.
How do I turn that sound?
You alright? It shocks you. Alright, take that, Anthony. Stop video cameraing. That start hurting my eyes.
Hello?
That start hurting my eyes.
The fuck is your problem?
It's hurting my eyes.